I love my life. I am powerful. I am beautiful. I am free. I love my life. I am wonderful. I am magical. I am me. I love my life.
Hi guys, it's Anne. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Princess Jasmine makeup tutorial without using a mirror, and my little sister Cate is doing my voiceover. So please don't forget to subscribe. We're going to start with my Fenty Beauty Foundation, and we're only going to put it on the bottom of my face for no apparent reason. And of course a little bit on the tip of my nose. Now I'm going to blend it in real well. I'm going to use my sister's Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I'll start off using my favorite color ever, pink. I'm going to blend that in real nice and keep going back and forth until I think it's perfect. And then I'm going to give my sister a weird look for no reason. I'm going back in with a little bit of red on the top. And now a little purple. And I'm trying hard not to poke my eyes out. Now I'm using the Zodiac sign palette and using the light purple. I don't remember what color it is, but I'm putting them on the top of my eyelids because that's Jasmine's color, I think. I'm going to be using a lipstick palette that I found and using the color red. And putting a little inside my lip just for fun. And don't worry if you get some on your cheek, it's all part of the look. I'm going to put a little bit on my cheek, just one cheek, and then blend it in real well. And then more lipstick on my lips because I keep licking it. And a little bit on my cheek and rub that all in real well. That's it! Now you have your beautiful Princess Jasmine look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and leave comments down below. Bye!